Hello friends, we will discuss question number 3 of exercise 1.2 chapter real number. Okay. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. तो हमें prime factorization method का यूज करके LCM और HCF निकालना है. Okay, that is 12, 15 and 21. 12 कैसे लिखेंगे? 2 6 या 12, 2 3 या 6, 3 1 या 3. Okay, 3 5 या 15, 5 1 या 5. 21, 3 7 are 21, 7 1 are 7. Okay, then 12 equals to, we will write as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and 15 can be written as product of its prime, that is 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, and 21 equals to 3 multiplied by 7. Okay, HCF क्या होता है जो इसमें कॉमन होगा वही क्या कहलाएगा? HCF कहलाएगा. Here 3. Okay, 3 is common, hence 3 is our HCF. Then LCM कैसे निकालते हैं? जो कॉमन है उसको एक बार लिखेंगे, बाकी सबको जस्ट कॉपी कर लेंगे. ओके, तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3, तीनों कॉमन है तो 3 को एक बार लिखेंगे. फिर बचा 5 तो मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5, फिर यहाँ पे 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 7 इक्वल्स टू 5 3 15, 15 2 30, 32 60, 60 multiply by 7, that will gives 42, that is 420. This is our LCM. Okay, next question. Question number 2. 17, 23 and 29. Here clearly these are prime numbers. Okay, then the HCF of prime number is always 1. Okay, hence we can write this as 17 multiplied by 1. Okay, there is no need to do factorization because these are prime numbers. Okay, hence since 17, 23 and 29 are prime numbers, so HCF will be 1. Okay, then LCM of prime numbers is product of numbers. Okay, that is LCM will be 17 multiply by 23 multiply by 29. It will give 11 3 3 9. Okay, question number 3rd. Here given 8 9 and 25. Na? 8 can be written as 2 to the 4 to the 8. Okay, 9 can be written as 3 multiply by 3, and 25 can be written as 5 multiply by 5. Okay, here there is no common. Okay, so HCF will be equals to 1. Okay, then LCM equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. That is 8 multiply by 9 multiply by 25. It will gives 1800. Okay, this is our LCM.